If you love to cook, you are absolutely going to love these smart thermometers. This company has thought of everything. I've gotten a lot of these in the past, and this far, by far, one of the best ones I've gotten. So what you do with these, you push them right here, and you're gonna get 4 of these probes. So these probes, you're gonna stick it in meat, chicken, whatever you're cooking. You just put it in, you connect this to your phone. It has an app, super easy to use. You just put it in and it's going to tell you the temperature. You could set it. I want it to be my steak to be this temperature or my chicken to be this temperature. And you could literally look on your phone without having to go out to the grill. What I like the most about these is you get 4 of them. Most only give you 1, and let's be honest, guys, I don't know a lot of people who are just grilling 1 piece of meat, so you could use all 4. You could get all the temperatures on here. Also comes with a stand back here, which is great, so you could just sit this like this. They really thought of everything, so if you're looking for a great digital meat thermometer that's easy to use, definitely check these out, and a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.